Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my new video. So friends, in this video I will review another project. So if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so you get new notifications of my new video. The name of this project is xspace.ws. I will put the link of this project in the description. You can check it from there. Firstly, you have to register on this project. So you have to just need the email, and then you create a password, and then the verification code will be sent to your email. You will copy it and paste it here, and the invitation code is optional. I will put the link in the description. You can if you go from there, the invitation code box will be filled. So I have already my account, so I will log in here, and I will put the my email and password here, and I simply log in here. So it is now success, and my this is the interface of this project. The xspace, the world's leading digital wealth management platform, instantly trades hundreds of digital assets such as bitcoin and ethereum. You can deposit here by just simply click on the deposit button. uh, Here you will see some address such as you want to deposit bitcoin, usdc, ethereum, bnb, busd, usdt. If you click on usdt, there are two options that are trc20 and bep20. You can select either which wallet do you want to deposit. If I click on trc20, then this address will appear. I will simply copy it and go to any metamask, transfer it, and then I will simply deposit here. I will tell you more details about this project. Here you will see the currency and his last price, and so the 20-hour change in the price of this currency. You can trade here, such as if I show you the BNB, then you can see the last price of this project and 24-hour change, and they will show continuously the change of this price, and you can trade here. So the X-Space volume in the last 24 hours is this. X-Space provide 100 of currency and contract trading pairs to meet diversified trading needs. The platform has more than 20 million users in 200 countries and regions, and is the world's leading digital assist service platform. 100 plus user country distribution, 1510,000 plus user numbers, and 200 plus trading pair, and 7 multiple 24 hours service support. Anytime, anywhere, multi-platform terminal transaction. The multi-terminal is perfectly compatible and can meet the transaction needs of various scenarios at any time. View real-time quotes at any time. Easily buy and sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, and other digital assist. Get assist on cryptocurrency price change. You care about where Bitcoin spot, futures, option price, and compare cryptocurrency price across changes. And their Android and Apple Store uh, application is also available. You can download here and trade and make a lot of money from this project. Start your digital currency journey. Click buy digital currency, best transaction rate, reliable security. And social media platforms such as Twitter, Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube are also linked here. You can check here for their new updates. So if you want to trade, you just simply click on this contract button. If you click on this contract button here, you will see the bitcoin and usdt, btc and usdt. Here you can select either which cryptocurrency on you want to trade. Simply click the currency and select the amount, and you can select a long short. The long mean that the price goes up, and short mean that the price go down. If you realize that the price will be down, you can click on the short, and you click on the long if you want, and if you realize that the price will be high in the next few minutes. So simply you have to just enter the amount, and then you click on the long and short. If you want to swap your digital currency such as TRX, Bitcoin, you can click here USDT, BNB, Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrency. Then you click on all, and if I click on BNB, and then you convert into USDT, and then you can swap it and withdraw it to any your bank account. You can also buy digital currency by clicking on the buy crypto, and then you click on the chain name, and then you deposit the amount. And there is also assist option where you see the spot, futures, win, and gifts. Here you can deposit, withdraw, transfer, swap, and bill. If I click on the win, you can see my wallet, that I already won 11,263 USDT. If you want to make money like me, simply join this website and make a lot of money from this website. I also show the security certificates of this project that are Finance Crimes Enforcement Network Department of the Treasury. Here you will see the MSB registration status information. The inclusion of a business on the MSB registration search web is not a recommendation, certification of legitimacy or endorsement of the business by any government agency. Here you will see the registered name, DBA name, street address, city, state, zip code, and all details are mentioned here. I will put the link of these two certificates in the description. You can check out and other certificate of a document filed Geneva Word Griswold as the Secretary of State of the state of Florida. You can check details. So this is the review of this project. I hope that you like the video. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video. Allah Hafiz.